going to be showing you how to make hot popcorn. First, just grab a branded bag, then open it. And then put it on your plate. If you miss the kernel, that's fine. Now I'll put this in my microwave. All right. Yeah, I'm actually doing this. All right. I'll be back when it's done. All right, it's almost finished. Ugh. Let me get it. And then there you go, some hot popcorn. That's actually hot. Oh, and this might be the best brand, Smart Food. Shout out to that company. I'm gonna eat my hot popcorn now. Bye.